Hello, my name is Giovanni Medina, and today I'm going to be talking about NASA's electric air taxi. I believe that electric vehicles are the way of the future. They get you to where you want to go efficiently. They have reduced CO2 emissions, and I believe that everybody should be interested in electric vehicles because they are the way of the future. So today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of these electric air taxis, some drawbacks that I see possibly happening with these, and I'm going to conclude it all. So some benefits of the air taxi service would be that these air taxis can help highly populated cities. They can help get people from place to place, avoiding all traffic, and I believe that this can be an extremely useful thing for people that go to and from work, from the city to the suburbs, vice versa, and with the right amount, this could really help society in these big cities. I believe that these can also be used by business owners. They can use these air taxis to transport goods without the need of using semi-trucks. You can reduce your carbon footprint as a business owner by using these electric air taxis to transport your goods. Which leads into my final point, is that having these electric vehicles, they lower your CO2 emissions. And in doing so, you're helping the environment, you're helping the planet, you're doing all that you can to make sure that this planet is good not just for us, but for the next generation, or the generation after that. But a couple drawbacks that I do see possibly happening is that there'll be a low amount of these electric air taxis at the start. And having a low amount, but it can actually result in them becoming a premium service. So it is possible that it can only be used by business owners or wealthy individuals from a supply and demand standpoint. But as you can have more and more and more of these air taxis implemented into the city, it should be able to help offset that and make it more available for your everyday person. So, in conclusion, I do believe that having these electric air taxis can be a huge benefit for society, that these things can help everybody, especially if you can go to and from the suburbs to the city to your job quickly, efficiently, no traffic. They're eco-friendly. They help everybody reduce their carbon footprint, reduce CO2 emissions, having less semi-trucks, possibly gasoline taxis, things of the sort. With the possible drawback of being it could be a premium service until there's enough of them to go around. So that is my take on NASA's electric air taxi. I believe it can be a part of our future. It can help our future, and it can really help society as a whole. Thank you.